Welcome to Live Well Insights 19, where we uncover the secrets to vibrant health and lasting beauty for women entering their golden years today. As we cross the age of 50, our bodies change, and often the first sign of this shift is our hair. Hormonal fluctuations and natural aging can leave your once thick locks feeling thin, brittle, and lacking their former youthful vitality. However, nature has provided us with powerful allies in this battle, hidden within the humble and crunchy shells of nuts. Today we explore 4 specific nuts that act as medicine for your hair and 4 others you should approach with caution. Understanding the nutritional profile of what you eat is the key to restoring volume and shine to your beautiful hair. Let us begin our journey with the first champion of hair growth, the incredibly popular and nutrient-dense nut known as almonds. Almonds are a powerhouse because they contain biotin, which is essential food for your hungry hair cells to grow strong. Biotin acts as the fuel that stimulates the production of keratin, the fundamental protein that makes up your hair structure. Additionally, the vitamin E found in almonds acts as a shield, protecting your scalp from oxidative stress and environmental damage. To reap these amazing benefits without overdoing calories, experts recommend consuming about 20 almonds each day for optimal hair health. Consistency is the secret, as regular intake helps maintain moisture in the scalp, preventing the dryness that leads to breakage. You can soak them overnight to improve digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets every bit of goodness available. Incorporating this simple habit into your daily routine is an easy and delicious step toward reclaiming your hair's youthful glory. Next on our list is the walnut, a nut famous for its unique shape and incredible benefits for reducing inflammation. Walnuts are exceptionally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation directly at the scalp. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy that damages hair follicles, and walnuts provide the necessary nutrients to fight this battle. Beyond healthy fats, walnuts are a significant source of copper, a mineral vital for maintaining your natural hair color and structure. Adequate copper intake can help delay premature graying and ensure that the structure of new hair remains robust and resilient. Just a small handful of walnuts daily can provide a significant boost to your overall nutritional profile and hair quality. They are incredibly versatile and can be easily added to your morning oatmeal, salads, or simply eaten as a snack. Hydration from within is far more effective than expensive conditioners, and walnuts deliver this moisture directly to your hair cells. Our third superhero is the Brazil nut, a large and impressive nut that holds a specific secret for hormonal balance.
Brazil nuts are the richest known food source of selenium, a mineral that is absolutely critical for proper thyroid function. For many women over 50, a sluggish thyroid is a leading cause of unexplained hair thinning and persistent hair loss. However, these nuts are so potent that you only need to eat between 1 and 3 nuts per day maximum. This small amount provides all the selenium your body requires to support your thyroid hormones and boost hair growth cycles. Please remember that more is not better with Brazil nuts, as too much selenium can actually be toxic to humans. Treat Brazil nuts like a natural prescription supplement. A tiny daily dose is enough to create massive changes for your hair. By stabilizing your thyroid function, you address the root cause of hair loss, rather than just treating the visible symptoms. The fourth beneficial nut for your hair is the creamy and delicious cashew, a favorite snack for many people worldwide. Cashews are an excellent source of zinc, a mineral that acts as a mechanic, repairing damaged hair tissues and proteins. Zinc helps keep the oil glands around the follicles working properly, preventing both dry scalp and excessive hair shedding issues. Including a moderate amount of cashews in your diet supports the structural integrity of your hair from the inside out. These 4 nuts are your best friends in the journey to restore your hair, but not all nuts are created equal. Now, we must shift our focus to the nuts that might be silently sabotaging your health and causing hair loss. It is crucial to understand that some popular nuts carry risks that can disrupt your hormones and damage your liver. First on our caution list is the peanut, which is technically a legume, but commonly consumed as a nut everywhere. Peanuts are highly susceptible to a mold called aflatoxin, which grows because they are cultivated underground in moist soil conditions. This toxin places significant stress on your liver, the organ responsible for filtering toxins and regulating your body's hormone levels. When your liver is overburdened, it cannot balance hormones effectively, leading to androgen spikes that trigger hair thinning in women. For women over 50, protecting liver health is paramount, so minimizing peanut consumption is a wise choice for hair preservation. If you love peanuts, ensure they are from a high-quality source, but generally, better alternatives exist for your specific needs. Next, we look at pecans, which are often innocent on their own, but frequently ruined by how they are processed. Pecans are commonly consumed in sugary desserts or glazed forms, turning a healthy snack into a metabolic disaster for you. High sugar intake causes insulin resistance, a condition that triggers the release of androgen hormones, which shrink hair follicles. This process, known as miniaturization, makes hair grow back thinner and finer until it eventually stops growing altogether. If you choose to eat pecans, you must eat them raw and in moderation, avoiding the sugary versions completely. Controlling your sugar intake is arguably the most important factor in preventing hair loss related to metabolic aging issues. We revisit cashews now as a risk because, while they are beneficial in moderation, overeating them causes a paradox. Cashews contain phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that, when consumed in large amounts, binds to minerals like zinc and iron. This means that eating too many cashews can actually prevent your body from absorbing the very nutrients your hair needs. The key takeaway here is strict moderation. A small handful is medicine, but a large bowl becomes a nutrient blocker. Pre-portioning your snacks is a smart strategy to ensure you get the benefits without falling into the anti-nutrient trap. Finally, we must discuss the macadamia nut, which is delicious but extremely high in fats and calories compared to others. Macadamia nuts are calorie bombs, and excessive weight gain can lead to hormonal imbalances that negatively impact hair health. More importantly, if eaten in excess, they can disrupt your omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, potentially promoting inflammation in the body. As we learned with walnuts, inflammation is the enemy of hair growth, so we want to keep inflammatory fats low. Enjoy macadamia nuts as a rare treat, rather than a daily staple to maintain a healthy inflammatory response in your body. Being aware of these potential pitfalls allows you to make informed decisions that support your long-term health and beauty goals. A balanced diet, rich in the right nutrients and free from inflammatory triggers, is the best foundation for beautiful hair. Your hair is a reflection of your internal health, and by choosing the right nuts, you nourish every single strand. These dietary changes not only improve your hair, but also enhance your skin, nails, and overall energy levels significantly. Patience is essential, as hair grows slowly, but within a few months of consistent eating, you will see the difference. Remember to prioritize almonds for strength and walnuts for hydration and color preservation in your daily dietary routine. Don't forget the Brazil nut for thyroid support and cashews for tissue repair, keeping strict control over portion sizes. Embrace this stage of life with confidence, knowing that you have the power to influence your health through simple choices. Take a moment today to review your pantry and make the necessary swaps to set yourself up for success. Pair your healthy nut snacks with plenty of water to assist digestion and ensure nutrients are transported efficiently to follicles. Share this knowledge with your friends and loved ones so you can all journey toward better health and beauty together. Nature has given us everything we need to thrive. We simply need to choose wisely and listen to our bodies. Every meal is an opportunity to heal, to strengthen, and to revitalize your body from the inside out. Treat your body with love and respect, and it will reward you with vitality and hair that shines with health. Let go of the anxiety about aging and embrace the proactive steps you can take to look and feel your best. You have the control. Small, consistent changes in your diet are far more powerful than any expensive miracle cure. Consistency is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Stick to your healthy nut routine, and the results will surely follow. Cooking and eating should be a joy, not a chore. Find creative ways to include these superfoods in your meals. When your internal nutrition is optimized, the outer layer of your hair becomes smooth, reflecting light and looking incredibly glossy. Imagine the relief of brushing your hair and seeing the brush remain clean, knowing your hair is anchored and strong. This transformation is possible for you too. It starts with the very next snack you choose to put in your body. Let these gifts from nature be your medicine. They are potent, natural, and perfectly designed for your body's needs. We hope this guide helps you navigate the grocery aisle with confidence and clarity for your hair care journey. If you found this information valuable, please consider supporting our channel so we can continue to bring you research-backed insights. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We are honored to be a part of your wellness journey. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who might benefit from these hair health tips.
Stay tuned for our next video, where we will uncover more secrets to aging gracefully and living your best life. Until next time, eat well, live well, and love the beautiful changes your body is going through every single day. Remember that beauty is not just about appearance. It is about how vibrant and healthy you feel on the inside. Click the video on the screen now to learn more about superfoods that can reverse aging and boost your energy. This has been a presentation by Live Well Insights 19, wishing you health, happiness, and beautiful hair. See you in the next video.